Weekly Byte. I am Junior TV anchor Ranveer Sheth and you watching KidzByte TV, India's first news and knowledge channel for and by kids. Did you miss catching up on the latest news last week? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Here are the top headlines. US regulators authorize COVID-19 vaccine for use in children. Dinosaur fossil bones dating back to 100 million years old found in Meghalaya. World's largest cooling stations installed in the Grand Mosque. NASA is developing a plan for a telescope on the far side of the moon. Discovery of the Jurassic frog. Manchester City are champions of England again. Want to know more? Download the KidzByte app from Google Play Store to watch this exclusive bulletin. Don't miss out.